When you go? By tomorrow. How to go? Go by bus. How tall are you? I'm 6 feet tall. What do you want? I want learning English. What's the time? It is 9 p.m. What to do? Let's I will English practice. Are you tired? No, I am not. Who are they? They are relative. Who is dancing? Tom is dancing. Is he well? Yes, absolutely. Are you coming? Yes, I'm coming. Are you go? Yes, I am going. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Is it your? Yes, it's mine. Thank you.